All right, next step in building this smart case is to wire these 4 terminals to where they gotta go. So this is for our micro USB power to the screen. This will hook up to the 5-volt positive and 5-volt negative respectively. You then have these 2 here. Now this is for our LED strip, which is a 12-volt power strip, so we will hook it into the 12-volt positive and negative respectively. And now your screen is hooked up to your power. Please do not hesitate to ask your peers for help with you handling this around, because this can be very delicate at times when trying to move.